Hello everyone and welcome to a review of the new update for the SOB3D Nina Devkit. It's been almost 2 years since the last major update for Nina. Not that that's a bad thing, of course, but here we are with version 1.2 of the Nina kit. And with this update, the shapes physics features from the Mandy kit released earlier this year have now been added to both the Nina and Dina bodies. So, if you've seen the tutorials and walkthroughs of the Mandy body, you're basically good to go because it's the same set of steps that apply here. But just so we're sure that we're all on the same page, let's go over those steps again. The first thing you're going to do is have your clothing and/or accessory item prepared, either prepared from scratch or an item that's already been prepared. I made mine with Marvelous Designer and exported it as an OBJ. Your flow, on the other hand, may look a bit different, but what's important at this point is that you have an object bearing the semblance of a clothing or accessory item fitted to either the Nina or Dina bodies. Then, you open up the shapes folder and open up the shapes file for either the Nina or Dina body. Yes, they had to be separated to prevent confusion, but let me know in the comments if you'd prefer a single file for both bodies. Now that you're in the shapes blender file, import your clothing or accessory OBJ, FBX, or whatever format you've saved it in. Scale and reposition to fit the scene if necessary. If you're using the Marvelous Designer project file, you need to scale downwards by 0.01. Apply your transforms with Ctrl+A, all transforms. Adjust your material names by indexing them with numbers higher than 10 in square brackets so that they can be imported correctly in IMVU. Open your BPSK Maker add-on from the side panel. With your object selected, click Transfer Weights. Then, add an armature modifier with the Shapes Armature selected as the armature object. Tap into Weight Paint mode, go to the Tool panel, and make sure you have the options Auto Normalize and Multi-Paint checked. Also, go to the Weight Paint Overlays menu and set 0 weights to active. Now, you have to select the pec and glute bones individually and then, with your weights blur tools, smooth out their boundary weights. Mind you, this step is optional but highly recommended if you want smooth weights. Once done, tap back into object mode and scroll down in the BPSK Maker add-on panel a bit. Make sure the 2 pec bones and the 2 glute bones are selected. Then you click Make Shape Keys. Once done, delete the armature modifier. Then click Delete Vertex Groups to remove the existing weights. Test that your shapes were successfully configured by moving around the pec and glute bones. Now, transfer the weights from the shapes body to your clothing or accessory item. Add the clothing avatar armature to it. Smooth weights, limit total, and test. Export as FBX, import into IMVU, and you're done. You can use a shapes physics compatible animation to test the results. So, as you can see, it's not at all different from the Mandy kit process. Just be sure to follow the steps accordingly. Also, remember not to have too many polygons so that your items are small enough for IMVU's file limit. If you have any questions about the process, leave them in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and here's some more 3D videos.